Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Audi Q4 Sportback E-Tron concept.
Wow, I really like this new concept. It looks sharp, it looks extremely powerful. What do you like most? Let us know in the comments below. And to find out why this car looks that fantastic, here's designer Philipp Römers with all you need to know.
This is the Audi Q4 Sportback E-Tron concept. It's a Q, it's a Sportback. It's an E-Tron. From 100 meters away you can clearly see it's an electric Audi. The inverted face. An electric car needs less air. So we were able to close our famous single frame. We covered it and brightened it up and put it into a black mask. It's a Q model. We have big wheels, short overhangs and strong quattro muscles on top of all four wheels. The slim cabin sitting on the wide shoulders, the Sportback roofline and the position of the spoiler. This is not just looking very sporty, it helps to reduce the drag coefficient. The interior fits perfectly to the sporty exterior, bold 3D applications, augmented head-up display. It's heavily driver-oriented. And so this car combines in a perfect way nice aesthetics with efficiency. I'm really looking forward to see this car on the road.
Good point, Philip. A beauty like this is just made for the road. So let's have a look.